Namaste. The Pancha Kosha, or the 5 bodies of man, is a very important concept in our yoga journey. We take the self and we look at it in layers from the gross level on the outside, and then we move inward to the more subtle. And in fact, this is all of yoga and our practices and our techniques. We always are moving from gross to subtle. The Pancha Kosha, or the 5 bodies, is this holistic view of the self, starting with the Annamaya Kosha, the physical body, the Pranamaya Kosha, the vital body, the Manomaya Kosha, the memory and conscious mind, the Vignamaya Kosha, the subconscious mind, and the Anandamaya Kosha, the bliss layer. And as we practice and as we move down the path of yoga, we move from the outside, moving in, but much like the 8 limbs, it is not a linear path, but one that can be thought of in concentric circles. And as we move forward in the lessons, we will be bringing back all of the practices and the philosophy through the Pancha Kosha. As always, it is our pleasure to guide you. Om Tat Sat. Namaste.